welcome everybody again to another TCWEP Lightning Venue Tour. We are excited to be here with the wonderful Adena.
Hi!
And we're gonna check out the Mendakota Club. Let's roll!
Let's go.
Woo! Keep up! You gotta keep up!
I gotta keep up! I gotta keep up! I'm winning. Woo. They're trusting me to drive. This is way for me. Oh, I loved how the trees grow over the canopy this road. It's gonna make beautiful pictures for the bride and groom walking down here. If I was a photographer, I would definitely be going to that spot. Thank you. Nice.
One of the best things I noticed about the beginning here when you arrived is how just welcoming and beautiful that all of the flowers and the peonies and the garden kind of gives you sort of a peaceful feeling when you roll up.
Yes,
which
it's really well taken care of.
Which is fantastic. I love golf courses. Golf courses are so beautiful, especially in June when everything is super duper green. Absolutely.
Absolutely. We have great landscaping and we do wonderful work.
Oh, good. We also, one of the things I like to see at golf courses, especially Mendakota Club, is just all of the leisure that's happening while you're actually playing golf. There's a lot of people having a ton of fun, and then you get to have a great event as well. So this is the ceremony area, right?
Yes, right up
So
here.
we've got beautiful gardens, beautiful scenery here, and then we have this fantastic arbor that you can actually have your ceremonies in. So
Yes.
Bride and groom, efficient, everything's done right in here. Have a PA in the back. And it also looks like we can have, how many can we seat?
300 out here.
300
yeah,
out
we start in the
here.
grass and move back to the patio.
Beautiful little
It's
outdoor
gorgeous the
site.
whole time. So if there is like rain, inclement weather, is it possible to have a plan B here?
Yep, so our plan B is tent. Our plan C is move it indoors.
A, B, C. Fantastic. This is a great patio.
Yes, really nice for outdoor social and then bring it on inside.
So come on in. This is basically the beginning social hour area. So it'll probably be in the patio, I would assume, right?
Absolutely.
As well as
so
in here.
we move everybody inside for social hour. We stack all those patio chairs. In about 10-15 minutes, we move everybody back outside, indoor, outdoor social hour space.
Nice. Beautiful.
It is beautiful. And look at this great
Warm up and
entrance.
cool down.
Yes, I like coming in and cooling down. It's a great space, great welcoming entrance as well.
Make a
Staircase
welcoming
is beautiful.
entrance, yes.
Really nice.
Sign in, all kinds of great stuff. Cut two. So we got a lot of awesome stuff to show you, and we couldn't do it in one take, and we want, before we show you the lakeside area, we're gonna show you the bridal suite. So,
Absolutely.
Adena, let's go outside and check it out.
So adjacent to our main space, the Lakeside Room, we have what I consider the most beautiful spot to take the photos of the bride on the property is our grapevine area. I'm jealous. I wish I could take my bridal pictures there. A short jaunt down the path and we're gonna lead you right into the bridal suite and no one knows you're gonna be there.
No one knows you're gonna be there because this is the access, and they won't even know that you're back here. Oh my goodness, ladies! Hey,
We're
this
getting
is
comfortable.
We are in the girls' room, getting ready room. We are really enjoying this space. It's really nice. It's really spacious. I don't know if you saw that textured wall when you came in and the hook there for the bride's dress, but we were just talking about how beautiful that is to have the bride's dress hanging there, and that texture on that wall is just going to be beautiful. And of course, this getting ready space for all your bridesmaids and gals that are here. And the bathroom right over there is just perfect space for getting ready here.
the lighting in here is perfect too, especially
very
for
nice
using
white
the
light.
long mirrors
Yeah.
and seeing shadows, and it just
Yes.
you know makes
Yeah.
everyone look very attractive in
I
here.
know.
So.
Oh, everyone looks attractive.
Most people.
Yeah, absolutely. So the space is a little bit hidden back here. There's two entrances into the main building, right down the sidewalk that we just came, and then downstairs through the back of the house, which works really slick for keeping the bride, secluded from everybody else until the event starts.
And we have our ballroom. Elizabeth, there you are.
Hi, in the air conditioning. Surprise, surprise. Welcome to their beautiful ballroom that holds 300 people with beautiful pitch ceilings and chandeliers to accent them. Look at how lovely this space is. Adena, tell us about these windows and the landscape.
Yeah, absolutely. So panoramic views of the golf course, 3 different bodies of water on the golf course, as Elizabeth mentioned, up to 300 people able to sit in this space, perfect for weddings. Either way, you are sitting right now in our Lakeside Room, which is the largest of our 3 event spaces on property, seats up to 300 people. We are a private membership golf course, but we are open to the public for all meetings and events. Right next door, we have a 4-person board meeting, and then we're going to flip it, and we're going to do a 300-person graduation party tonight. Yes, you heard that right, 300 people. I don't know how I know so many people. Hi. How long has it been here? Oh, gosh, yeah, since the 50s. So it originated, and I really should have done my research better this morning. It originated as a group of farmers that enjoyed the game of golf and started building this kind of 9-hole course, and then eventually turned into an 18-hole, and it became what it is today. So where we are standing right now, clubhouse, actually used to be one farm way back when. So kind of some cool history here. Mendakota actually means where friendship meets water. So kind of a cool little feature there with our name. As you can see, we have lots of bodies of water on our golf course. That was a great question. Thank you for that. All right, everybody enjoy the food. Our culinary team did a great job today, and enjoy.
Yeah, the natural light that comes in here is incredible.
Just incredible.
Incredible.
I also love your built-in dance floor adjacent to the bar. I know that's probably Matt's favorite part.
I love great
My
staging
favorite
for
part as
parties.
well. And day or night, I mean, the uplighting that can happen in this place at night is just incredible.
Absolutely. The window lights split up the windows.
Oh, it's just beautiful
These
here.
pitched ceilings are so beautiful too. It makes this room feel larger and more area and just really comfortable. And a little majestic as well.
Your head table will tip a table right here, up to 20 people, traditional style or harvest available.
Woo. So this is where you come to have an awesome party, guys. Mendakota Club, everybody.